All right, these are the notes for 4.2, which is over loans. Our objective 1, read monthly payments from a table. 2, compute monthly payments using a formula. And 3, compute finance charges on loans. So instead of doing a whole big fill-in-the-blank thing like I did for 4.1, all I have on here is the monthly loan payment table. So back in the day, they used to figure out loan payments based on tables. And so as you can see, we've got interest rates going down here from 6.5% to 9.75%. And then over here it picks up at 10% and goes all the way to 13.25%. And it goes by a quarter point every time. So 6.5 to 6.75, 7%, so on and so forth. And then up here at the top, it says 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 10 year. That means the length of the loan. If it's a 5-year loan, you would use that column. If it was a 1-year loan, you would use this first column. So basically the way you use this, and this actually, it says up here that this table is monthly per $1,000 worth of principal. So for example, if you are looking for the monthly payment on, say, a $17,000 loan, you would figure out the monthly payment for $1,000 and then multiply it by 17, because it would be $1,000. Hopefully that makes sense. We'll do some of that in our examples. So anyways, all you got to do to figure out what your payment's going to be is, however long the payments are for, and then the interest rate, you match them up, and that would be your monthly payment for $1,000 of the loan. So for example, number 1 says, what is the monthly payment for a $4,000 2-year loan with an APR of 8.5%? So what we're going to do is go to 2-year, and it's for 8.5%, so 8.5% is right here, so 2-year and 8.5% meet here at 45.64. So $45.64 per $1,000. She's got a $4,000 loan, or whoever has a $4,000 loan, so we're going to multiply the monthly payment times 4. So 4 times 45.46. Get my trusty calculator out. 4 times 45.46 is, if you can see, $181.84. So that's the monthly payment. That's how you use your loan table. So for example 2, Juan is borrowing $41,000 for 5 years at an APR of 6.5%. What is the monthly payment? Okay, so we've got 5 years, so let's go up to 5 years on our table. 6.5% is that very first choice, and so those intersect here at $19.57. So it's going to be $19.57 per $1,000. Now, he is taking out a loan of $41,000. So we're going to
have your glasses back.
Thank you. Alright, so then what we're going to do is multiply the $19.57 by 41, because it's $41,000. So $19.57 times 41 is $802.37. All right, example 3, what is the total amount of the monthly payments for a $4,000 loan with an APR at 8.5%? All right, so this is basically the same setup from example 1, which we've already calculated what the monthly payment was. It was going to be $181.84. And we want to figure out how much she pays total for the entire loan over the entire 2 years. So this is per month. Okay, so this is per month. So let's see. The loan was for 2 years, 12 months per year, so a total of 24 monthly payments. So she's paying $181.84 for 24 months. So if we multiply that together, let's see, we've got 24 times 141.84 is $4,364.16. So that's how much she pays total over the life of the loan. Okay, the total monthly payments for a 5-year loan is $7,171.20. How much money was originally borrowed? Now there was a typo on here. I forgot the APR. APR was 7.25%. Okay, so what we need to do, first thing we ought to do is figure out what the monthly payment was. We know that the total that he paid, or she paid, was $7,171.20. It was for a 5-year loan. So how many months are there in 5 years? So 5 times 12, I believe, is 60. Yeah, so 60 months. All right, so we're going to divide his total by 60 months. And that's going to give us our total monthly payment. So 7171, whoops, 0.20 divided by 60 is $119.52. All right, so that's the total monthly payment. Now, let's see. All right, so now let's figure out what the monthly payment is for a 7.25% APR and 5 years. So 5 years up here on our table again. 5 years, 7.25 intersect at $19.92. So what we're going to do is take our monthly payment and divide it by that. And that should tell us how many times, how many 1,000s they borrowed, if that makes sense. So let's do, we had 119.52 divided by 19.92 equals 6. So that means that they multiplied the monthly payment for $1,000 6 times. So that means our total loan was $6,000.